Hello everyone, good morning. So this is group 13 and this is a demo video of our project 3. So first let me show you a couple of bugs that we had to resolve from our previous project. So there was one particular bug with the budget command wherein when you try to view the budget command, you will have to see an error. Then there is another error with the analytics command when you are trying to view the remaining value. And there is an error with the PDF command uh, when you cannot convert the float value to the integer value. And so now let me show you our project when we had to resolve all these things. Budget. When you're trying to select the view option, you're trying to view the budget here. You're trying to view the analytics remaining value. You're trying to see, you're seeing the graph here. Also, when you're trying to export the PDF, you're clearly able to export the PDF. And apart from this, we have done two enhancements to two of the commands that the previous team has built. One is for the add command, wherein we added the date addition to the add transaction command, because in our previous product they have assumed that the transaction is being added to the current date, so they never requested the date to be added. But we have created a calendar for that purpose. I'm selecting a date of 12th May, adding the category, and giving it amount, so you can see that the transaction has been added on 12th May 2022. And also at the same time, we have uh, prevented the future date selection when you can't select a future date. Like I'm just trying to select some random date in future, 15th May 2025, but I'm not able to select the date. So this is how we have made our add command enhancement. And there was one more command for which we have made an enhancement, which is delete command. When in our previous project, uh, they have only gave the option to erase the entire history with the delete command. But now we are giving the users an option to erase a specific transaction by providing a date. So now, since I have already created a transaction on 12th May, uh, I'll try to delete it. See, it shows you that there are two transactions. Deleting those transactions, successfully deleted. So let me confirm this with the history command. You can see that there are no transactions on 12th May 2022. So that's with the enhancements part, and we have also added 6 new commands to our project this time. So the first command is the display command, uh, which is specifically used to view the transactions related to that particular day or particular month. As you have seen above, the history command only gives you the list of transactions from the beginning, but we wanted to give the user the option to view transactions related to this month. So let me select this month, and it gives me these transactions with the graphs clearly. And the next command we have added is the update category command, uh, which allows you to add new category, edit category, delete category. So I'm clicking add new category thing. So right now I don't have a category for movies. So let me create a category for movies. So the category has been successfully added. So now I'm trying to add a transaction here to see if the category has been added in our thing or not. So you can see movies here clearly. I'm selecting movies, and I'm assigning it some value. So it's recorded the transaction on the movies category. And at the same time, I can also delete the category. Let me quickly give you the demo for that as well. Delete category, movies. So I've deleted the movies category, and I'm trying to add the transaction again for the movies category. But I shouldn't be able to add for the category. Let's see. So you can clearly see that there is no movies category here, which uh, confirms that our functionality is working. So since I've anyways been here, I'll just add a transaction on food. So that's with the update category command, and we have also added a command to view the weekly analysis on your transaction spendings with the weekly command, which gives you two graphs, which shows you the graph of how much you have spent each week, and also at the same time, this is category wise graph on each week's spending. So which gives the users a grasp of how their spending curve is going on with the increasing weeks. And we also added the functionality of monthly expenditure viewing, which shows you the monthly graphs. So you can see the spending costs of each month. At the same time, you can also see the spending months of each month. And apart from these commands, we've also created a send email functionality, which actually asks for your mail ID, and it will send the expense history uh, to your mail ID. You can see that the application was able to send me the email wherein it sent me the CSV files. So coming back to the Telegram, so the next command that we have built was the add recurring command, wherein add recurring command, which lets you add a specific transaction, a fixed transaction for next couple of months, like future months. So let's say I have a subscription for like it's a transportation which costs me like $50 every month. Then I can like track it for like next 6 months instead of adding it every time. So you can see the confirmation here stating that $50 has been added for the next 6 months, and it's confirmed with the history. So you can see the last transaction was transferred $50. So this is the transaction that we added right now, and subsequent transactions will be added when you enter that specific month. Only then you can see that in your history part. Yep. So that's all from my side. Thank you.